Dig a circular trench about 1 foot away from the main stem of the mango tree. The trench should be 3/4 of a foot to 1 foot deep. This depth allows the roots to access nutrients without damaging the main root system. Once the trench is ready, apply well-decomposed farmyard manure, vermicompost, or your drenching solution evenly inside the trench. This method ensures that nutrients and beneficial microbes reach the feeder roots, promoting healthy root development and stronger plant growth. Now add around 100 to 200 grams of granular mycorrhiza into the trench. Mycorrhiza forms a natural partnership with the mango roots, helping them absorb water and essential nutrients more efficiently. At the same time, it protects the root system from harmful soil-borne diseases and supports stronger, healthier growth of the tree. Next, take 10 to 15 kilograms of well-prepared vermicompost and mix it thoroughly with trichoderma powder. Make sure the powder is spread evenly throughout the compost so that every portion contains active fungi. Once mixed, place this enriched compost carefully into the trench around the mango tree. The trichoderma in the mixture acts as a natural biofungicide, protecting the roots from harmful fungal infections, while also stimulating root growth and improving overall soil health. After adding the trichoderma and vermicompost mix, apply another 100 to 200 grams of granular mycorrhiza on top. This double application ensures deeper root colonization and long-lasting protection. Finally, cover the trench with soil and press it gently using your foot. This helps lock the nutrients and microbes near the roots and prevents moisture loss. At the end, pour 15 to 20 liters of water into the trench. This settles the soil, activates trichoderma and mycorrhiza, and helps nutrients reach the roots quickly.